This is the pack that you should receive. Inside that pack you'll see a white lid and a brown lid, which we'll come to later. You'll see a set of divisions. You should have 2 of the big piece, 3 of the small piece. We'll assemble these now, like so. Don't worry about which way around you put these pieces, because they won't be seen. That's your divisions made up. Also in here is 2 leaflet dispensers, which we'll come to shortly. The other 2 components should be your main backboard, which you should see is gatefolded at the moment. You can see there's an inside and the outside. The outside is where the print goes all the way to the bottom. The inside face, the print only comes halfway, which will become relevant shortly. Here we have the main base section. So to assemble, concertina this open, push in all the bottom flaps. Make sure we've got the divisions. Insert the divisions. You'll notice on these parts that there's a chamfer on one corner. Ensure this goes to this back corner. The brown one must go in first in the situ. Then fold these like so, so that they lock on this corner. That's enough, just enough friction lock. Then we go to the white component, again with the chamfered corner. This goes on top of these components and keeps this lid secure. This is where your plug socket will go for your power. It'll go down here and out the back, through here. This is where your plug socket for your chair will go. What we now need to do is look at assembling the back corner. You can see, quite self-explanatory why this is the inside and it's covered up. It will sit in this area here. You will notice there's some double-sided tape down one edge of this. So you'll need to remove this tape. I'm simulating it here at this stage, and seal. We'll just go through again. There's some double-sided tape here. So remove that component. Ensure you don't seal it until you've got it at a right angle. Once it's at a right angle, keep it as square as you can and seal that edge. You must do that when it's in a right angle. Do not try to do it when it's flat, or you will ruin the back piece. Now we've got that in a right angle, you'll notice around the sides there is tape all the way around. Please remove all these pieces of tape. There may be a few more than what you see on this particular sample here. And what we should be able to do is take this right angle, up to these tapes, ensure we've got the corner in, and then close and apply. I would suggest, if you've got a colleague that you can do this with, now's the time to get them. So press firmly around all the areas where the tape's on, working your hands up and down, ensuring your hands are clean. Last but not least, you'll see there are two different leaflet dispensers. The first one is the twist lock, which to go on your counter. So you twist, pop out these pieces of waste, if they're still in there. So we've twisted, fold round, get the two wings, push the wings through the back, pull down the twists. There's your counter unit ready. And then you'll have your hanger. Concertina this open, fold the base like so. This one first, the two side wings, and the last one so it pops together like an envelope. And this goes, well, anywhere you deem fit, but it was designed to clip onto this display in this manner. There will be some tape on the back of here which will pull off and stick down if you so need to. If not, the weight of the leaflets will hold it in situ. Thank you.